kiss me in a song.
La, 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 la. I'm always gonna love that song. Forgot to reset my webcam. Unplug. Oh, where are you at? Unplug it. Plug it back in. Go over to the webcam. Deactivate. Reactivate. Okay. There we are. Hello. Quick stream today. We're going to ideate and play some games. That's about it. That's all I'm doing today. And to start it off, I want to play a little Team F2. So let's hop on. Do a quick match. Welcome to the stream. I'm Sporp. Hear me, Sporp. Living, loving, laughing, learning. I hope all my homies out there are live, laugh, loving. Oh, that phrase is never gonna fail to make me laugh. It's so silly. All right. Ooh, CP Brew, and you're full. Cough Lazarus, you're not full. How's it happening? I hope everybody had a lovely weekend. I did. I had a nice chillaxing time. Getting my life together. Oh! Now, if there's any other games that are desired for me to play, like Poppy's Playtime Part 2, I'm happy to do so. Uh-oh. Latency check. What did I do? Right here. Not late for nothing. Oh. And we'll get to coding in a sec. So there's two sort of pathways forward for my game. And that is beginning to use cards and working on the control flow for that. And and the lobby system. The lobby system is going to be, so it's not just the lobby, it's like the game room system, so that multiple games can run at the same time. I think I should get one version of the game running first, and then worry about getting a couple of them running at the same time. Because realistically, I could just pop up a bunch of servers of the same thing, and just have like a kill button, a kill switch that the admin runs. This is a little unbalanced. Come on. Yeah. First game's always a little sloppy.
Appreciate it.
Always staying kinetic. Whoop. Good shot.
I'm gonna turn you into colored rind. Nading. Appreciate it, mate.
Oh! Oh! Bottom dragon, let's go. Killing it. Hello, Enchanted! Welcome back to the stream. Good to see you. Welcome back.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Hope you've been having a good past few days. Hope you had a nice weekend. I'm living, laughing, loving, as I always do. Hope you're doing the same. Playing Fortnite with Ed the Rizzler, nice. Had a good weekend, glad to hear it. I like when the homies have a good weekend. Why'd that person get a note thing? I lost a bet. That is my sticker.
Oh, sorry, soldier.
Hang on. I can sell it. Ambassador. I can't combine these, can I? Who wants an ambassador? Current server. Sure. Take it. Take my ambassador. server. Come on, work this time. But yeah, those are my Sporp stickers, which I don't have around right now. They're downstairs. Oh, come on. Fucking timeout, little dingus. Alright, well. Vintage dead ringer. I guess I don't need 2 dead ringers.
The control point is being contested.
Oh. Let me... What button are you? Left A. In a minute, let's see how many pull-ups I can do. Alright, after this match. Claim medal.
Oh, fuck.
Class token. Let's do that. 2 ambassadors. And kunai.
Alert. The control point is being contested.
It's a wonderful idea. Sleep. Yeah. Apologies about starting so close to your bedtime there, bud. It's just been a busy past few days. And day in general. I'll hop on back on my because I play on PC Xbox. Gotcha. You do what you gotta do, man. But I appreciate you swinging by the studio. Not leaving, just not talking. Even better. Help me get those analytic numbers up. I appreciate it. I wonder if they're ever gonna find me up here. Yeah, worth it. Oh. Whip it real good. Come on, man. Oh. Back up to my sneaky spot. He's gonna retreat. No, dead.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Worth it.
You failed.
Beauty!
I also do need some sort of better testing protocol for LYOC. That just means being able to bring up
We have secured the control point.
I really do love tier 2 games.
Alright, you know you can just let me know. Please and thank you.
Appreciate it, mate.
Oh, there's a sentry up there.
Thanks, mate.
Sentry down. You okay, bud?
Alert, alert. The control point is being contested.
Everything above your neck's gonna be a fine red mist.
Mission ends. Mission ends in 30 seconds. Alert. The control point is being captured. Our control point. Alert. The control point is being captured. 5, 4, 3.
Hey, Rain to Thunder. Let's go. Alright, let's work on our to-do list. So one simple hand of PR cards. So that means display cards as pop up question mark via button click Play card button. Better testing protocol. Okay. Wow, this is a mess. Oh, let's bring the fun. Alright, I'm gonna take this gear back.
Competition begins in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And loaded. Let's push them back. I've got a good feeling about this match, lads. Gonna do anyone. You're big up your arms. I'm not
Mission begins in 60 seconds. Mission begins in 30 seconds.
I don't know what's going on.
Mission begins in 10 seconds.
Shotgun boys.
5, 4,
Make sure to clear.
2, 1.
There they are. Alright, they did it.
We haven't done the pull-ups yet. No, I actually lost a subscriber, so that's a negative 5 pull-ups for me. Welcome back, Random. Hope you like the sticker. I have had those stickers for I want to say at least 4 years at this point.
Look at that.
Those are vintage.
Not a good neighborhood.
Today we're playing a little TF2. We're just ideating, we're gelling, getting our feet back under us. Ugh. Upper right hand corner, we got some stuff to do when it comes to the board game. I want a simple, possibly modal, or just floating divs of the cards for my board game.
Sniper down. Blue down.
Oh, that's embarrassing. There we go.
The bomb ain't moving.
To all ye fine dames, so proud, so cocksure, prancing about with your heads full of eyeballs. I'll pass down the sticker to my children like a family jewel. Thank goodness. Yeah, that's a rarity. There's only a few of those in existence.
Go off, go.
The bomb is nearing the checkpoint.
I think after this attack round, we're gonna get back to coding for a little bit.
Got you guys.
As many pull-ups as I can? We'll see. Considering I just lost a subscriber, I've actually saved myself 5 pull-ups right there.
Thank you, buddy.
I don't know how y'all are feeling, but I am just feeling gross today. Those days happen, but not a fun feeling to sit in. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, you go.
Fuck him up. Oh my god.
Get to the car, you bloody idiots!
Alright, this is. Ah, spike on
On
me.
your teleporter.
Cola can do that. It's true. Although I don't drink soda really. I drink seltzer and a lot of it. But I'd avoid the calories of soda. Shit's not good for you. Especially when you're in the States, because it's all high fructose corn syrup. Terrible for you. It is yummy. We'll give you that. Yeah, considering how we're flooding their spawn, figure would just go. Come on now. Come on now. Alright, I got 60 seconds. Let's just do some pull-ups.
Wait, they let you bring sentries to this game?
60 seconds on the clock. Play some rage music.
Mission begins in 60 seconds.
Who wants a throwaway, Uber? What's gonna use out of the game?
Yo, give it to me, boss.
Oh, alright. Yo,
Down for a bomb.
shit.
Yeah, I'll fuck with the blood.
Fucking 20p fucking audio.
Bro's on the Arctic,
like mountain lead, bro.
Can I interest you in a piggyback today, sir?
I'm sorry, I can't. I've used that. I need to turn it off and use that. What the fuck you saying?
What do you mean, sir?
What do you mean, what do I mean, sir?
No, this is a good microphone.
Oh, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, what the fuck is it? Well, what do what the fuck is this technology? What year is it from?
The car's just sitting.
Edging, joking, and mewing to this microphone right now.
There you go. Hope you caught it, Enchanted. But I think we should listen to some Nine Inch Nails. Keeping it still. Got your chin held high and you feel just fine, 'cause you do what you're told. But inside your heart it is black and it's hollow and it's cold. Just how deep do you believe? Happy to give you some currency for the spank bank. In the name of the holy and the divine. Just how deep do you believe? Will you fight the hand that feeds? Will you chew until it bleeds? Can you get up off your knees? Are you brave enough to Discord bot? Sure. What are you thinking? Now, I want to remind you that the Discord is in fact a dictatorship. And you all exist in there. It's an export thing. Okay. I like that.
The hand that feeds you. Will you stay down on your knees? Will you bite the hand that feeds you? Will you stay down on your knees?
Sounds fun, man.
Will you bite the hand that feeds you? Will you stay down on your knees? Will you bite the hand that feeds you? Will you stay down on your knees? Will you bite the hand that feeds you? Will you stay down on your knees? Will you bite the hand that feeds you? Will you stay down on your knees? Will you bite the hand that feeds you? Will you stay down on your knees? Will you bite the hand that feeds you? Will you stay down on your knees?
Sporps assistant. It would. I think it's better as the Sporp assistant.
So Friday, Friday, Chinatown 真夜中の人混みに It's so Friday, Friday, Chinatown 弾けるネオンサイン
Like this.
肩にぶつかる人外ウインクを投げる
The Sporp assistant.
知らん顔のあなた惑いの一コマ踊り疲れていても
Sporp
朝ま
assistant
で
or Sporp AI.
遊ぶわ港の見える場所で何かの見たいのよ It's so Friday, Friday, Chinatown ジャスミンに口づけよう It's so Friday, Friday, Chinatown 私も異国人ね
I do encourage shitposting. We all have our limits.
Oh!
Sporp assistant or Sporp AI. Sporp bot. trouble with Disney for that one. Very aggressive about the droid trademark. Sport assistant. I like that. Because it gives you sport assistance, you know? Yes, my love to you. Yes, my love to you.
私は私あなたはあなたとゆうべ言ってたそんな気もするわグレーのジャケットに見覚えがあるコーヒーのシミ相変わらずなのねショーウィンドウに二人映れば Stay with me 真夜中のドアを叩き帰らないでと泣いたあの季節が今目の前 Stay with me 口癖を言いながら
This
二
song just makes
人
it
の
fun.
時を抱いてまだ忘れず大事にしていた恋と愛とは違うものだよとゆうべ言われたそんな気もするわ二度目の冬が来て離れていったあなたの心振り返ればいつもそこにあなた
Lava is. Thanks to Odie in the Sporps Discord. Oh, I think I know that guy. Ah.
Your word is gibberish.
Gibberish. Gibber. Of origin, please.
Doing a review of my iPod Touch. It's got a touch screen and it plays music.
Yeah, can you
What bouncy style? Slippy, a glippy, flippity chop, flippity clap, flop and drop a chippity wop, blippity slop, a drop a cop a chippity cop, coppity clop, pop a sock a boppity slop, floppity glop, a blippy, a power show, a power shiki, a gower shabbat, how much hit with the gower, to flibby dower, how much give it the gower, I go, walla, how much you with the gower, show with the beating, walla, a scrippy, gappa, gippy, the shippy, gappa, do whippy, gippy, flippy, gappa, chopper, to whippy, gappa, to scrippy, gappa, gippy, topper, gappa, to flippy, gappa, to whippy, gappa, shopper, to whip up a ditty with a bottle of. Trippin' out a nippin', wanna give it with a chippin', name a lame, a goggle, lame, not a mirror, grippin' it all, carrot it all, scare a barrel it all, bucky lee, bucky do, scabby, there a bit of. Hey, scamming a bobbity, sobbity, wee, comedy gee, como se llama, te amo a mí, lackety tea, sackety see, lackety, backety, rackety, read, demo, scammo, MTV. Say what you gotta be, I'm a kid, I'm a child, be the cookie, kuchara, but I'm the we want. Whippity flippity, bibbity, blah, clippity, clock, comedy, diddly, fiddly, wibbity, blah, yibbity, yah, flippity, blah, scubbity, bibbly, wibbly, flippity, fly, boy, poppity, oddly, droppity, photos, that's squibbity, squaw, boy. Okay.
Let's move on. I'm gonna take a look at it. We'll finish up this match. We'll take a peek at what this thing's doing. I think this is more Skyrim. I want to listen to the Jakey album. Rom-com. There we go.
And the Oscar goes to
Thunder.
I wanna go 85, drive off a bridge and die. I wanna go 82, drive off a bridge with you. I wanna go 83, drive off this bridge with me. I wanna go 85, drive off this bridge tonight. I wanna go 85, drive off a bridge and die. I wanna go 82, drive off this bridge with you. I wanna go 83, drive off this bridge with me. I wanna go 85, drive off this bridge tonight. Tell my sister that I miss her. Tell my brother I was wrong. Tell my mother that I love her. Tell my father to be strong. Tell my cousins and their cousins and my nieces and nephews. Tell my uncles, aunts and aunties, grandmas, grandpas, grandma too. Tell my friends that it's okay. Know I'm with you every day. Nothing's ever gonna change, even if we separate. Tell my lover that I'm sorry for these things I couldn't say. Know I love you from the morning to the night I juggle. I wanna go 85, drive off a bridge and die. I wanna go 82, drive off a bridge with you. I wanna go 83, drive off this bridge with me. I wanna go 85, drive off this bridge tonight. I wanna go 85, drive off a bridge and die. I wanna go 82.
How'd you end up making this, Enchanted? Is it just like a tool that's available on Discord?
Shout out to my girl named Lexi, keeping my brain real healthy, keeping me cool. Tats all over her neck, me saying she glad she met me, girl, me too. Finger in the air like check. It's a new record.
There's a jump schematic.
Shut up. Jakey?
Oh wow, that totally freaked me out. I feel like I could be gunned down in a second. Hear the sound great. Awesome, oh wow, that totally freaked me out. I feel like I could be gunned down in a second. Hear the sound great. I just did my tattoo shit. Turns out I made a fucking lie. Turns out the relative to nothing. Honda Civics in my pocket spot. Hey, I just checked my bank account too. Turns out a motherfucker rich. Turns out the relative to nothing.
That's what it is. Bopping, sporping. That's the way it goes.
Totally freak me out. I feel like I could be gunned down in a second. Hear the sound great. Awesome, oh wow. That totally freak me out. I feel like I could be gunned down in a second. Hear the sound great. Telling me you never getting married, but you say you getting engaged. Oh, I get it now, that's rich. Then make sure you follow back my page. Make sure you give me all your change. Couch cushion coins and the lot. Every single dollar you got. I'ma influence your ass till you rock. Take my 20 milligrams each day. Taking time off, and you feeling okay. Jiggy, about to make a big mistake. Jiggy, sleeping on the couch, no way. Taking my time, hope it's never too late. Taking my time, but we never discuss this. Lose my damn mind over all my damn beats. Cause nobody else will ever do these motherfuckers justice. Jakey, make it big. Jakey, make it big.
Come here. Give me that ass.
5, 7, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times out of 10. I got baseball bats swinging at the same time, and they both swinging at both sides of my head. I'll be good. And I'll be new. Yeah, I could be sweet too. You, babe. And I'll be cool. I'll be good. And I'll be new. Yeah, I could be sweet too. You, babe. And I'll be cool.
We've been waiting for you all summer, and we're so glad you're finally here.
Every day, Jacob goes to work. What's wrong? What's wrong with this? And every day, he wonders what is happening to him.
I love that little guy you drew. It's fun. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that little cutie. Little cute guy. I love that.
Check the plates, hides Jake, yeah, it's pretty fun. I hit the tunnel cause I'm headed out west. Pay the price, but I'm trying my best. Wanted to say that I feel a type of way. I just can't communicate it when it happens each and every day. How could it feel so wrong when you say it's alright? When I'm staring at my walls each and every night, I ain't in every day, cause I can't be the one for you every day. Honey, you say make love to you every day. Yeah, I could be the motherfucker you want, but then it means that every morning I'll be gone. Takes time, let's just get it out the way. We both know that I can't stay in this corner like every day. Probably bad, my favorite
Oh,
part
no.
is when I'm cleaning up the drinks. I grab the dishes out the bed, I put my body in the sink.
How do I get out of jail? This is hilarious. Is it just these crimes actually working?
I fall in love with every person I meet. 4th Ave, 5th Street, 6 feet, 7th heaven. I'm done 8 times out of 9. Not the one. Took me 0x days unfazed. Now it's over and done. I could be the one you want me to be, but I just think the best thing for you is to leave me, and we could go our separate ways and think about each other like.
Gotcha. That's really fun. Alright, yeah, let's add this. This is fun. Alright.
2015, if you're hearing this song,
We now have Sporp Assistant on our boy, Sporpy Hall. A very big thank you. We're gonna huck $1,000 to our boy Enchanted. That's really cool. I have to mess around with everything. So, let's see where we're at in the game.
Like it's 2017. If you're hearing this song, then it means that I want the free
front end again.
Talking, I'm screaming XO on my iPhone. On the drive home to this 444 location is remote. My patience is on the low, but I'm falling in love.
There we go.
Not with the progress, but the success. I'm addicted to the comments from your lipstick. Swap it down, see the nosedive statistics. Go ballistic, go berserk, I deserve this. Fuck a feature, I'm a man with a purpose. I'm an asshole, I'm a saint, I'm a sinner. I'm an angel, I'm a fraud, I'm a winner. I'm your best friend in the world when the luck tilts. Would you feel the same if you felt the survivor guilt? I don't get no sleep cause of y'all. Nah, y'all don't get no sleep cause of me. Pushing me to my limits every day. I pray to God you won't think of me this way. I pray to God like I don't get no sleep cause of y'all. Nah, y'all don't get no sleep cause of me. Pushing me to my limits every day. I pray to God you won't think of me this way. I pray to God like cause of me, cause of me.
There's probably a logic loop in there somewhere. How about so we don't gum up? We're gonna make a Sporp System channel. Sporp System. What do you want to do this stuff?
Panther strike the fuck out of 2020. I'm moving to New York. Try and stop me. You won't.
And he's willing to do whatever it takes to give.
So if you want to mess around with the Sporp System, I made a whole channel for it.
Late nights staring at your phone. I can make you feel like you're in love.
So,
I could be the one to make you quit.
in terms of stuff that I've done offline, here's where we're at. I updated these to be dynamic, so now when you add a color, it removes it from the selectable drop down menu here. So blue, and we're gonna go to red here. And now I have a lobby of 3 players. Everyone's connected via a socket to the server. Hit start. There we are. And another little bit that I added in is if you buy a battery and then you store an energy on the battery, the energy actually goes over the battery. There we go. So I'll pass it to the next person so you can see. So one of the things I added was the ability to store energy on batteries. So if I say store energy on a battery, I can't do it because I don't have a battery. If I buy a battery and store energy on it, there we go. That's enough loading. And then I can pass my turn. Left, and turn, goes to the next person. Cool. This is looking really good. A bit of a weird glitch here where it's saying the player's playing out of turn. So, if I go to my to-do list, 5K explore tokens.
Man, it's so like me to do this shit last minute. Living in the past like I'm still stuck in it. You ain't even gotta ask. I'll admit it. Hit the backstage pass to my last day living. Card can't max, rack me up with no limit. Bullets in the snow, red letter, hide the blood better. Carve black lines in the white like a love letter. Running through the 605 on my wall. Maybe this is what I get for leaving.
It might be a logic loop on work. Hey, let's go. How's that? Get F, kid. Your boy's the gambling king. It's the same thing. I can store energy, or I can donate it as well. And when I donate it, I'll over here. Blow this up. Donate it. This should go into here, although you don't really see it. Cool! That's looking really good. And this is probably still conveying order. Yeah, whatever. Oof. Next thing is I want to... So, there's 2 buttons in terms of control here that I gotta work on for the player.
Because I like my Skechers, but I love my Prada backpack.
So the cool thing is, this is rendering for everybody, but if it's not my turn, I can't see my buttons here. So I got all these buttons, and I need 2 more. Show hand. And
I've been working on this shit since 2016. Yeah. With the iPhone 6 with the big crack screen. It don't matter if you call, leave a text, hit my DM, or just pull up and hit me direct.
so if I look over here, this is complaining because these functions don't actually exist. Go over here, show hand, and add and this isn't actually going to be a command that way. do anything with the socket. What it's going to do is reveal something on the UI. So I could probably have a component, and then these will toggle the disabled flag on their HTML elements. But let's go over to the server first, because I don't like this thing freezing up every single time. I actually don't want to do this. If I do this, what I'm saying is, this is grabbing an initial value and setting it to a constant, so let's say the turn says 2. What I'm trying to say here is, alright, player ID 2 is equal to player 2's turn, advance turn tracker to 3. And then this control flow should work next. There's 3 players in the game. If the turn tracker has advanced past the IDs of all the players playing, then run these sort of in-between logic. This is the one part of the album I don't like. That like dumbass like elevated. When I got really sad last year and I listened to this album a lot and I love it, all except this one spot right here, which is Jakey, Tommy Hanks, normal pitch. It's way better.
That moment when you kiss someone and everything around you becomes hazy.
No, the work command keeps
And the
dying.
only thing in focus
All right, well,
is you.
get to work, Enchanted. Let's fix it. I'm looking at you, man. Get to work. Get to /work. You think it's how fast you put the command in? Maybe. Maybe there's a race condition. Maybe. I don't know. Right. Cool. So ideally, glad you're getting brain running. So I have these 2 buttons here now: show hand and see after contract. So what I can do, so I don't forget about this, it is hard to think words when Jake is saying that many things. So what I want to do here is, because I have, so that's the advanced timeline. This is the server. On the front end, I want to say, so fast and rapid. We're going to have 2 state variables here. One, show hand, UI. This will be set show hand, UI. Equals state. And this will be false. We're just going to have an easy Boolean value here. And we're going to also have the same thing for the contracts and awards. Contract, UI. Same thing. Set, show. And these both start out as false. It doesn't really affect the game at all yet, because it's going to reveal a component. 605 and the 212. High battery. Store energy. Pass the turn. Donate 2 energy. Pass the turn. buy a PR, end turn, and now we loop back around. You didn't see that, but that's okay because we can go back to buy another battery. Can't afford it. 0 energy available. It didn't refresh. Interesting. This should have refreshed all the states. Aha! So we go back to Backend. And I want to say, that's a jump. Yeah, we gotta jump past Jake. Yeah, people really love.
It's the best is last.
Yeah, I just don't like the pitch one.
Coming soon to own.
As a kid, they used to call me fat. Brother, sister, cousin, cause my hair was massive. I'm just the baby of the fam, I guess the best is lasting. Brother say you know anytime I ask him. Can I watch you play your game? Jacob, that's a fat chance. Skating on the steps, never landing jack shit.
Right here, we need to run the news cycle. Which means for I hate that this is all the same thing.
Congratulations, you won.
So I want to say my player dot factory energy equal to player dot factories. Now for every factory I have, I refill. What's the server? So unless the news says otherwise, this is going to run every single time a month completes. A month completes when every single player takes one turn, and then for all players, I set their and then commit state. Push that one more time. I'm going to jump back to left monitor. I'm going to refresh all these. Just close your eyes and watch me disappear. Beep, boop. Y. D. R. Start again. Now, I want to buy a battery, store an energy on the battery, end my turn. I want to buy a fuel, end my turn. Donate 2 energy, end my turn. And the factories refill. That's what we wanted to see. So now my factories are back up. I have more energy. I can buy a battery. Battery should have been 2 there, but I can store an energy on the battery. And look at that. It's a little tough. I'll show it on the next player. So what's happening? I buy a battery. I store an energy on it, end my turn. And that moves to the last player. And same thing. Can't store energy on a battery because I don't have the battery. Buy PR. End my turn. And there we are. Month 3, season, spring, season requirements. 10 energy. This could be online. Much space to in order to do that, we're going to go back to on the board, it's above the board, and that exists on the game header, state, deconstructs it, and that we got it. And instead of having breaks, I'm just going to add 3 little beats, dinks. So if I save it, there we go. That's way better.
Tom asked if I could let the beat rock for a minute.
Now this is almost all in one.
When you let me sleep on your couch. I feel like it's the least I can do.
same thing if I buy a battery. Look at that. Whatevs. I like it.
Hey, Jacob, beat it. This is my territory.
Fathead.
That was really cool. I like that. Listen to the rain. Skibbity boop bow. It's a lovely Monday. Coding on the internet. You think that this is cool? Well, you ain't seen nothing yet. I made a board game with 2 friends of mine. It's fun. It's a good time. It's divine. Ow. Might be cool to do the header. That's fine for now. But now I want to show my hand. And I need to make some sort of React component on the board. So if I go over here. It's weird to say. It's players one's turn. Is there a bit of an underscores? Let's put it up. Might help break it up better. Does not like carrots. Helps break up the weight of this, so it's easier to read. Could be emojis in there too. I'll mix it up. So right now these do nothing, but flip-flop. Actually. So I'm showing the show hand, see active contracts and awards buttons. If I go back to the code, and I go to my board, I don't need either of these. What I need to say is set active contract and set show hand UI. Hand pool equal to This might be redundant, but what I'm saying is I'm setting it to the inverse of what it already is, so that when it's true, it's false, it's true, etc., etc. That active So nothing's changed. All we're doing is we have a flip-flop now. If I go back to the other, it's not going to show anything. But what I can say on the code side of things is we're going to have two components. I think they're just going to be absolute over the screen itself. And that'll just be the show active contract UI. And these will be in communicado with a React component. Same thing here, batteries are still 1. So if I buy one, it goes there. And then if I say store energy on a battery, bam. Still got my overhead cam here. It's been such a pain in the butt trying to get an overhead view of this thing. Can't get the dimensions right. Not the dimensions, the rotation and the presence in 3D space to have an overhead cam for this thing. So I need 2 components here. I need a file that is handui.jsx. This will be const handui is equal to a lambda function. Export default handui. We're gonna get the same freaking thing for contract or these currently return nothing. Because I need to import hand UI and I need to import contract award UI. And that has to be my boy, he's been cooking. I just want basic div here. I guess these should be modals, because that way they can just exist floating on top of the page. at you go, man. That's awesome. Good job. Can't believe we've made Game Maker in Discord on stream. That's wild. Good job, man. Okay, so I'm just gonna cheatsy doodle here. We're gonna go to ChatGPT. We're gonna say kind of what I was thinking. I did something like this in Java back in college. Some bits are to be done. This one? That's so funny. Hello, Miss Pixie. Welcome to the stream. We're doing some coding, making some games. I will never buy channel art from anybody! But otherwise, this face, I got it from my mama, who got it from her mama, who got it from her mama, and all the way up the chain. Mama and Papa sporped me out. That's how I got here. We're having fun here. Enchanted has been going ham on the Discord making a bot, which has been fun to watch. That's where we're at. Whoa. Excuse me. I don't know if you do or don't. I just tell that to everybody who shows up because I've been getting that message a lot. If you don't, then yeah. 28 people. My gosh. People, where? What are you talking about, Enchant? Random, don't you dare lie to my chatters. Don't you dare. I will not be misrepresented in this sport court. Rate of 8 of oh my god. You're kidding me. I don't believe you. Who's over here? What's going on? Well, welcome, any newbies. Happy to have you. We are sporping around as we do on this channel. I am turning a board game I made with some friends into a React Node web app. Random, I know where you live. Don't you dare. Don't you dare start misrepresenting me. Yeah, no, I'm making an app in React. An app in React Native. I rated you with 28. My gosh. Thank you, Miss Pixie. I appreciate it. Welcome. I am a... Do not check the balance on my user. I might have to then. I am a senior software developer. I'm taking a break in between jobs to work on my own company, do this kind of ish, and focus on this thing explicitly, which is a NodeJS in the back end, React in the front end, Fiber, ThreeJS thing. So welcome on, welcome one, welcome all. Happy to have you. Here's where we are at so far. I'm gonna restart the server so we can check out what's going on here. This game works on a web socket using socket.io. It's really cool. It interacts with React in a very fun way where you can just use effects to receive the socket action and then send actions to the socket. And what that does is it allows a concurrent multiplayer game to happen, so you can send signals to the server, and then the server responds, sends the game state back, and yeah. So if I go over to my game, it just holds the server information on. The server itself is a global variable. What we do is we jump, we go, I'm gonna add some people to this game, and then I'm gonna hit start game, and we render the full app here. So the game state has been generated, and then it sends it to the front end, and then from there the front end picks up the state and draws this all out. So there's a main table, and each of these are a player mat, and if you look kind of here and here, the player that you are sits in front of the table so that you have a static view of it all, and then the other players wrap around it. And you can do stuff like buy batteries, put energy on your battery, and it scooted it over to there. You pass your turn, you can buy PR, which helps your popularity, helps you survive the corporate world. Yes, very good idea. Or you can donate your energy to meet this thing up here, which is that season requirement. And thanks to... I'm gonna pause the music real quick. I want to thank the guy in the chat, whose name is Enchanted, who came up with this idea, which is camera 4. It's the best camera in the game. I remember when Rickrolling became a thing way back in the day, and when people actually would like mask URLs. And I remember when this stuff came out. There was originally a site called Mudkips, like mudkip.kz or something like that, and it would take over your browser, and it would start to bring your browser around your screen, and it wouldn't let you exit out of it. And we also have a guy cooking, Enchanted, once again, in, yes, I will. In our chat, we got, Enchanted here, who has been gracious enough to build us a bot for the Sporp Discord. And you can run commands like add money. I don't know if other people can do this, actually. I think because I'm the admin, I'm the only one. I'll give it to me. What was the new one? Make games. Here, let me refresh the page. Make game. Do not check balance. Well, I think I have to now. All right, let's make an RPG. Oh, that broke. FPS, virtual, no. Huzzah! The game did great. Awesome. Let's see. Can I check balance of Enchanted? Oh my god. We got a 1,000 air in here. Hello, random. I see you in there. Got it right. Slash. So that's where we're at. I'm also happy to answer coding questions. Like I said, I'm a senior full stack developer. Use me while you got me. I'm hunting some stuff down right now, but while we got the time, please don't Enchanted. Please don't make Slashhead. I'm happy to answer any coding questions that y'all may have. So where we're at is adding a basic hand to our players. And in order to do that, Node's acting buggy. So all my class variables are just in this oneer here. Hello, not unknown 69. Good to have you. Welcome to the stream. And I've been doing this caveat to all newcomers. Bot maker? No, not yet. I can't just hand out roles like candy. Of course not Enchanted. I will not be buying channel art if that's why we're hanging out together. But otherwise, can you check my game? Maybe. I'll have to scrub the URL a little bit to make sure that it's not something that's gonna dox me. But I'd be happy to, as long as it's TOS friendly. Here. BoardGame.vercel.app. You've seen Vercel, it scares me. Just made today. Nice. NTTS vid. It can message log me on Discord. Ooh. I don't know if I want to do that. To know when you read the message. Here, let me... Shut up. Shut up, random. NodeJS.vercel.app. Alright. Let's see. Let me grab my laptop and do a bit of a schmiggity schmack. Ugh. What's that? Random, I will ban you, I swear to Christ. I swear to Christ on a cracker. So Vercel, all it is, it's a hosting platform. So quite honestly, it could be literally anything. What is your game, not unknown? What is it? What do you do? Virus tool. Okay. Virus tool. What is that? I'm learning a lot today. I checked virus tool. 0 out of 93. Okay. Let's see. WebApp. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'd much rather check a GitHub URL. Yeah, looks clean. But let's check it out on GitHub. Emoji game. Ooh, looks fun. Which is the right URL? Is it the Numoji game or is it the one on your GitHub site? Don't mean to be too paranoid, but I'm just going to run this through Tor. Which will probably kill it because it's going to stop JavaScript. Both. Okay. This is Vercel development ID in Euro. Gotcha. Okay. It's already running. You got the Lamau roll? Oh, jeez. You have YouTube? Because I don't use Twitch. Yeah, same name, Sporp. S-P-O-R-P. That's where we're hanging out today. Actually, let me just... I would like to... Oh, actually, I should be able to just do this locally then. Do apologize. This is taking a bit of time. Just make my bot make it roll and give me the roll. Hello, Xcoding. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back, not unknown. We're having a good time in the stream today. This is good. I wish there was a way that I could do a VPN here for this, because I don't want to dox myself. Source. All right. In the package at JSON, React, DOM, parser, Vite, FPS counter. Oh, bonjour. Hello, Mrs. Sporp. She's camera shy today. I swear she exists and it's not just a figment of my imagination. How you doing? Sick. Thanks for the almond. Appreciate it. Does use analytics. Yeah, that does make me happy. Enchanted says hello.
Hello.
She exists, I swear.
He doesn't think I'm real.
She exists, I promise you. She's not real sport. Wake up. But she is my fiance, not just girlfriend. I got the lady buff. And this is not Mrs. Sporp. This is Oliver. Hello, Ollie Bear. Come here. Say hello to the internet, buddy. Don't.
I'm just judging.
Okay. Oh, he's such a good boy. Say hello. Can I get some poggers in the chat for Ollie Bear?
What's that?
It's some Twitch thing. I have no idea. Your buddy.
The buddy.
He's the buddy. He's
He's gonna barf.
There we go. Poggers in the chat for Oliver. Ollie Bear is the buddy. He's a good boy. Oh, jeez. You are covered in hair, buddy. Oh my God.
Got some funny people today.
Make sure he no poop on you. I can't make sure of that. This dog has peed on me multiple times, though. He's chill, though.
Is that a love?
Fear, sometimes. Sometimes fear, sometimes love, sometimes just, that's just what he does.
Almond?
This is my boy. He's a good boy. Yeah, I'll take an almond. Oh. Alright, ready to get down? Slide it down. Good boy. Alright. Let me download this thing. Check it out.
I'm real. Okay. Bye.
Oh my God, she's real. Holy shit.
Why are these seats up here? Were you meditating?
Yeah. Well, I brought him up for... Oh, that's for the dog.
Oh.
I'll extract this. CGI, yeah. Selection, close. Cool. WebApp main. Open in terminal. I don't think I have Vite. What I'm working on is that. This is a board game that I made and kickstarted with my friends 2-ish years ago, maybe a little bit longer than that. I've always had the idea of turning it into a web app, so that's the main thing that I'm focusing on right now. At present, where we're at is I have used... Get over here. I have... The basic structure of the game started here. We have our players. It's multiplayer. It will be a multiplayer game. So there's a central server that uses WebSockets to communicate with my clients. Each client, when it's their turn, they get a series of actions that they can take. Let's say buy a battery. So a battery pops up there. Store an energy on the battery and then pass their turn. At which point, the turn goes to the next person. They can donate some energy, and their turn, this person can buy a PR. They'll end their turn, and then the cycle resets. So the game works over a course of an entire year. Every year has 4 seasons. Each season has 3 months. Every month is a turn.
Every month is a month.
Why is there a Rickroll video in the tab? Because thanks to Enchanted, I have 4 different cameras. This is camera view 1, camera view 2, which is an overhead, camera view 3, which is a static view, and camera view 4.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. I've full commitments while I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long.
All right.
It's been aching, but you're too shy to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. And if you ask me how I'm feeling, don't tell me you're too.
Am I gonna... Might be. Sick. Gotcha. So it's like a one-sided Pong. That's really cool. So we're checking out Rupan's game. Rupan's game in chat, aka unknown. Oh, you know what? I can output this. Get you. Now let me pop up the screen here. Now we bump up the table. Gotta plug this in. And the overhead should refresh.
I love dogs.
There we go.
Look at dog.
Huzzah.
It's a dog.
Oh, that's upside down and backwards.
Oh, he's so
Let me fix this. Horizontal.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. they're one thing outside Asia, one thing is if someone posts like they thought that DDS or something.
Are you still showing your face?
Yeah, there we go. So this is our emoji game from Unknown. Yeah, I wouldn't take the... also showed a sport. Let's see. This is super cool. So I'm guessing we have a... no chat. Oh, whoops. Let me grab chat real quick. There we are.
Oh, that's cool. Can I still see you?
No, but I can see chat.
Okay. Hi. How do you?
Oh, there we go. All right. Nice. I think it's the same for everyone. Like it showed the same location for everybody. I get that. Ugh. Now here we can. Looks like we can add some more emojis in here. We'll pop a. Okay, so that changes the emoji that's being used. Interesting. So you're hitting an API, I'm assuming, and that's why it's kind of chugging when you do that. Whoop. Cool. This is really cool, man. I like this a lot. Let's go to a monkey. Yeah, monkey. Cool, dude. Good work. One improvement panel moves faster a little. Yeah, couldn't hurt. Nice. So how long have you been working on this? Give us a little bit of a dev timeline, man. Well, the thing is, that's just the nature of the beast. You got to be careful with anyone and everyone on the internet because of DDoSing or doxing or, you know, getting swatted. It's just a, you know, it's the nature of the beast. One day 6 hours max at FPS. Oh, got me. Gotcha. Swatting is terrifying. Yeah, spooky. Whoop. Cool. Have you ever used Create React App versus Vite? I've never actually tried Vite myself. I might have to after this. There we go. Oh. Yeah. That's once again part and parcel. This is really cool, dude. Good job. Very fun. One-sided Pong, batting around an emoji. Oh, can I? What other emojis? What's the? Yeah, much faster than Create React App. Gotcha. Cool. Interesting. I might have to give it a look. So my app currently is using Create React App. That's pretty much all the front ends that I've made have used Create React App. Sick. I like it. Good job. Can I get some poggers, some claps in chat for Rupan, for our unknown boy? There we go. Sick, dude. will change. Yeah, I noticed that. It did get a bit browner when I picked the monkey emoji. What other fun things for my bot? Gosh, I don't know. It's hard to be put on the spot like that. Let me get this out of the way. Cool. All right, so the one thing I really want here is to have a hand of cards displayed. Also, I did a bit of money time. Nice. I wonder if there's some way that we could share the bot backend so I can drop some stuff in there too. So unfortunately, my... Adios, Enchanted. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you as always. For some reason, the file pathing on my Node server is just freaking out. So this looks dumb, and I hate this. But for the time being, I just stuck these classes as when I'm live next. Yeah, possibly Wednesday. TBD. The fuck is this? It's 2 a.m. in the morning here. Can you share some startup idea or something? It's 2 a.m. in the morning here. Share a startup idea. Well, the thing is, all ideas are bullshit until acted upon, and all ideas require so much more energy to bring them to life than you could possibly imagine. Startup idea? I don't know. I guess use sentiment analysis on financial reports to see if the stock is going to increase or decrease in price based on kind of the conglomerate opinion of human beings' belief. I don't know. See, if I knew it, I would be working on it and I would be making buku bucks. Like with many other things. 2 a.m. there. You sure you don't need some sleep, dude? You don't want to be bright-eyed and bushy-tailed for the next adventures that are coming down the pipeline? All right. So I have a hand per player here. Completed, failed. These are my contracts. I got my active contracts. My God. I love that sound so much. Boo-doo-boo-doo boop. Seasonal cards. This is the piece that I need. Every season, I'm going to give myself 5 cards. And they're going to be an array of objects. So if I go to my game start, I should probably bust this out into an... Never, I am sick, so could sleep, so thought to share my project online. DC link. Never, I am sick, so could sleep. DC link. Not quite sure what you mean by DC link. But I hope you feel better. I don't like being sick. It's an awful feeling. So I'm going to initialize my game here. And that'll happen right here. And what I want to do is for every player, I do that. Oh, Discord link. Yeah, of course. Here. I'll drop that in now. Welcome to the Sporpy Hall. Yes, it does. You know, I sometimes take life for granted, and the ability to breathe through my nose and not like feel my tonsils punching each other. Whenever I get sick and then I stop being sick, I just am reminded how good I have it. I don't know if you're in a similar position to me. All right, so player state array, push. So it starts at 0, we push it. I also, right here, welcome to the Discord. Good to have you, not unknown. I want to add 5 PR cards here. And what does that mean? So I want an object that says all the objects in my hand are going to be cards. So that's kind of redundant. I don't need to say type card, but I can say the type of card. And this will be PR. I somehow need to... This is the annoying part with multiplayer gaming, is that everything that you're doing is 4 times as complicated as if it was just a game. Just like a single player game. It's not twice as complicated. It's at least 4 times as complicated. I made a multiplayer game once for a game jam, and it was tough. It was a struggle, and you got to think about, like, state exists somewhere as a source of truth. It gets pinged with messages in order to alter the state, and then it re-emits the state out to all the clients, and it's this constant life cycle that you got to keep remembering. All right, type PR, effect, I guess, and a cost. We'll say 1, and the effect is +1 PR. Sure. Const PR card. We're sort of just guessing as this is going forward. Finagling, trying stuff out. Player hand is going to be equal to array dot fill. Is this the right one? So I'm saying array of length 5, and then I will say my player state array this will eventually be broken out into its own function, which is assigning cards per season for players, because that's going to happen 4 times, but initializing the state only happens once. So we'll just have a placeholder function right here that is deal hand, and that will push a hand of cards to every single player. How did I learn coding? I've been sort of all over the place. Initially, I took a crack at C when I was super young on my parents' Windows 98. That didn't stick. And then I didn't really touch coding at all until about high school when Minecraft came out, and I started to dip my toes back into it by hosting Minecraft servers. And then from there I went to college, I took a bunch of coding courses, kind of fell in love with it, and then ever since I've just been doing game jams and in the workforce for a while. I started out as a junior developer, worked my way all the way up to senior, and then I decided to code independently for a while, and that's where we're at now. I want to say .seasonal cards is going to be equal to my player hand. Cool, so now on my player, I should have access to this on the state. So I'm going to refresh. This out of order thing's bothering me. So this is happening here, although that's not true. So this is where it needs to be. Am I an employee in a tech company or something? Used to be in a couple different tech companies. So I worked for a government agency, I worked for a bank, and I worked for a couple startups at this point in my life. And now I'm working for my own personal business. refresh that. Bump this up to the lobby. We're gonna go back over here. Yellow. And this is cool. This is one of the things that I worked on recently. What business? I code. I code freelance at the moment. So I talk with businesses. I find their needs. I'm in the process of building a forum site for one. That's going to sort of use big data analytics, although I can't disclose too much about it. There's another company that's looking to contract me to build some work for a medical site. Just whatever comes to pass. I've done website building. I repair stuff in my spare time too. Cool. So this is one of the things that I did recently. If I look at the lobby, I love .map. It's so useful when it comes to React things. I'm a college student, and in my country, the internship required bachelor degree. That is BS. Bull. That is bull. Your country requires a bachelor's degree. That's crazy. See, I know people who've gotten jobs without even a coding degree, and some of them are better coders than I am. It's not completely irrelevant. Having the foundation of, how many bits in a byte, what's the difference between an integer, a float, how do computer languages ingest these types, and how do they transform them, how do they store them in memory, what's the difference between a reference versus value, the different algorithms that's going to take to process and transform data. That all stuff is incredibly useful for the workforce, even though it doesn't seem like it at this point in time. But yeah, this thing has a quick little functional filter here. If the player colors are taken, if the player color is not taken, then map that color array, which exists up here, to a bunch of HTML elements, which are options for this dropdown. So I've already picked yellow. Yellow's now gone from the dropdown over here, which is really cool. That is crazy, though. There's a great book by one of the creators of Reddit called Without Their Permission. If you can create a coding solution for something, for somebody, that can be an incredible gold star on your resume or CV. I didn't end up taking this job, but I did get an offer, and the thing that I was told that made me stand out from the competition was one of my YouTube videos, and that was about cutting a keyboard in half and then having the traces extended with wires. So anything that you can do to stand out against the competition, because people don't like saying this, but the competition of the workforce isn't you against the world, it's you versus the next best person for the role. And you got to beat out that guy in order to get it. And whatever you can do to stand out will be helpful for you. Start game? Nope, I broke something. What'd I break? Failed to... Oh, the server's probably dead. Yep. I recently found a big bug in an education platform, which is it tell all the answers of a quiz, which is the main feature of that platform. Guess how much they paid me. I'm gonna guess 0, and I'm gonna guess that they might have, from what I've seen in my experience, they might have threatened to sue you. Am I right? Otherwise, though, how much? Let's refresh the lobby here. Let's refresh. No, I didn't even start up the server. Whoops. Uh-oh. That's why. Why did you crash? No, they literally paid. Guess. Player state array is not defined. What are you talking about? Oh, because I built it up here. Doy. 25 bucks? 50 bucks? 100? How much? I'm on the edge of my seat here, man. I'm gonna say 100. Also, the company is the main sponsor of cricket in my country. Ooh. Okay. Hell yeah. 5 users connected. What the fuck? Get out of here. I'm gonna say a slick hundo. BR. Start the game. And it died. PR card is not a constructor. Okay. Damn. They should have paid you more. It's a bit of a slap in the face. I mean, it's not nothing, but still. For a bug that breaks the entire program, that's pretty ridiculous. Deep clone an object. Yeah, but money is money. Yeah, exactly. I can make this a class, why not? Class. Annotations. There we go. Costs equal to 1. There we go. It's something. And you know what? Even better, because they paid you, that's a great gold star on the resume. You know, I quite literally pen tested X company for, and you don't have to disclose the amount. You can just say for a monetary reward, and that'll, and you can put a bow on it, and you can transform it into something beneficial for your future. Start game. There we go. So now if I inspect and I go to my React components, and I go all the way down to my board state. There we go. So these should all have a hand of cards. Season card hand. Nope. Seasonal cards. Season card hand. What the fuck? Factory energy. Factories 3. Batteries 1. That's not correct. What? Where did you come from? Board state. There we go. So my player state array. Dang. Seasonal cards. Still not seeing the player hand. That should be an array. Oh, doy. All right. I know this is all my own gobbledygook, but can you guess why this didn't work? Right here. Da, 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 da. There's a glitch in this code right here. Gold stars in the chat for anyone who can tell me what I did wrong. Da 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 do 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 wum ba dum bum 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 la 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 la. Wow, wow. All right. So I'm setting this array. I'm trying to do an object assignment here, which actually, player state array. This should technically, if I'm looking at the state here, what I messed up here is I'm trying to do an object assignment here on an array. So this should say player state array of I. So on this player, I want to tack on a hand of cards. Let's refresh the server. Let's get this back up and going. Go back to the lobby. I do need a better testing protocol here because this is starting to be a pain in the ass. Y, B, and R. Start the game. Cool. And now if I go into the profiler components, I dig down to my board. I should have a props players. No, that's not the right one. Board 3D canvas. Where are you at? Context. Player state array. Seasonal cards. There we go. So I have a bunch of cards, and now I've loaded the cards into the state so that the player on the client side can see this. What needs to happen next is there needs to be some way to dynamically load and display the cards for now via a button press. Yep, there we go. Hand UI. No hand UI. Hand UI. Hand. So all I'm doing is I'm just flip-flopping a Boolean value in a state hook. And when that Boolean value flips, I am conditionally displaying what will eventually be the modal, the div, however we're going to display our player's hand. Which will probably just be some sort of overlay. But you know what? We're starting to get into the meat of this. This game has 200 cards. It's a lot of cards. And that's a lot of things to code. And a lot of them act differently. It just keeps going and going and going. Highest amount paid by a client. Well, I guess that would probably be my rate. My rate at present for my services. And I do vary the rate based on the work that I'm doing. If it's the easier stuff, then I tend not to go overkill. But as a senior software developer, full stack, I've varied it between like 75 USD to 125 USD. And that's somewhat depending on the requirements of the job and the value of the business and the value of the business's transactions. Because the more money that they cost, the more money that they take in, you're still getting a sliver of the pie. You can essentially have that same percentage sliver, but it can grow exponentially. More or less. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but it can grow. Cool. Most difficult project I got. timestamps. So this wasn't contract work, but when I was working for one startup, what the company wanted was, regardless of time zone, they wanted transactions to be displayed linearly based off of their time, but localized time. So I had to have two for every piece of data that I was displaying. I had to have the UTC times, like the UTC time that had a time zone offset. And then I had to essentially create a timestamp without time zone, which was localized but completely got rid of the offset. And then I had to display data in a linear fashion. So let's say if something happened in California at 11:59, and then like in New York at like 10, New York would be, I forget exactly how, it's hurting my brain thinking about it now, but I essentially had to overlay localized timestamps on top of each other in order for it to make sense to me. It was such a pain in the ass. I hate timestamps. Hate them with a burning passion. Ugh. Excuse me. Jeez. Okay, cool. So we've loaded the card onto the player. Now this is going to be a 1, 2, 3 skip and a jump. We take the state and try to compute an action on the client side, send the action to the server. The server verifies the action against the state of whether or not it's legal, and then changes and updates the state based off of said action. All right. I got to chew on this a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a quick round of Helldivers. I'm ready to play a game for a bit. World War Z has a game? What? Let me shut this down for now. Cool. I think we made a good bit of progress today. Actually, cool. There we go. I'll be right back. Oh, my headphones fudged up again. BRB. That feeds. Chew until it bleeds. Won't you get up off your knees? You're brave enough to see. You wanna never change it. Damn. So I repaired these headphones on stream not too long ago. Let me grab the chat. There we go. Bump you up a little bit. So I fixed these headphones on stream not too long ago. Unfortunately, the cable likes to pop out now. So this had to get soldered back together. There we go. That's better. Right. There we go. For managed democracy.
Mission coordinates locked. Hellpods prime.
You fixed. I broke one of the working headphones while fixing it. I notice when you repair stuff, it's never actually repaired. All you're doing is essentially increasing the life of whatever you're doing by a half-life. So if you have something for 2 years and you fix it, you can expect maybe another year out of it. But that number just goes down and down and down every single time you fix it.
Launch initiated.
Yeah, it is. It's always a coin flip. I'm sad. My motorcycle's broken. It's on engine number 2 and might be on engine number 3 before too long. It's old. It's very old. And once things start to fall to pieces, there's like no coming back for it. Oh, what's it? So my guard dog. machine gun. Bow, bow.
Deploying support weapon.
We'll get the Patriots soon too. Alright, let's go get that signal. What if this all contains charade? Behind it all, the price to be paid for the blood for which we died. Defy all. I can't get that. That's what I get for going solo. The holy and the divine. Just how deep do you believe? Bite the hand. Do I watch YouTube tutorials all the time? For anything and for everything. They're super, super handy. Yeah, you kid.
Orbital strike incoming.
Do you watch YouTube tutorials? I'm assuming yes. 'Cause they're kind of how everything's done these days. Now, granted, there's never a replacement for the docs, ever. Come on. Nice, good dog.
Sending down sentry.
How about a nice cup of liver tea?
Who's your go-to?
How'd you like the taste of freedom?
I watched him for a while, Game Monkey. I think that's the guy's name. He's pretty great. I adore the YouTubers AVE and This Old Tony. They're machine shop people, but a lot of the same principles exist between coding, machine shopping, engineering. It's a lot of the same stuff. Some different wrappers on it. I love this game.
Bug outpost spotted.
Another score for Managed Democracy. Okay, gonna go to sleep. It's been 8:30 a.m. Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you too, Not Unknown. Thanks for stopping by the chat. Get some sleep. Treat your body right. I absolutely did not in my younger days, and my education and my life suffered for it. So get your sleep. Make it a priority. No, leave my boy alone. Let's get the F out of here.
Northeast, 300 meters. Tagging map, east, far. Found something.
I don't think you can Can you? Damn. I was hoping to see if there's a way to resupply this. I guess it's a backpack or something.
Tagging map. East. Far.
There's still something over here. Look at that. There you go.
Dropping a pin. East.
Do
Far.
you believe? Bite the hand that feeds. I just recently got back into 9 Inch Nails. I'm reliving my edgy teenage days. Can you get up off your knees?
Bug outpost.
Oh my god.
Tagging map. East. Far. Dropping a pin. East. Far.
Felt like that was gonna happen.
Request approved. Deploying reinforcements.
Democracy has landed. Fire in the hole! Throwing grenade!
Deploying replacement. Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
Gotta give me
Joining the
something.
fray.
Deploying sentry.
That charger is just wrecking me. Oh. Clear it. Breaker, all my stuff. Where are you at? There you go.
There's something here.
What if this will contain charade? Behind it all, there's a price to be paid for the blood which we died, defying the name of the holy and the divine. Just how deep do you believe when you bite the hand that feeds? You chew until it bleeds. You get up off your knees.
Firing orbital strike.
Get it. Get it. Yeah! Stop calling reinforcements.
Have a taste of democracy!
Gotcha, little buggers.
30 minutes remaining.
Last reload!
Flash grenade. My supply drop go. Give me.
My life for Super Earth!
Firing orbital strike.
They have camo? What? Give me SSD.
Can't liberate with this broken arm! Get some! Get some!
Thank you, guard dog. The dog's out.
Deploying sentry.
Injury? What injury?
I need to go. Got the hard drive. It's the communications relay. Oh gosh. Where is that? Uh-oh.
Say hello to democracy!
Jeez. Yeah, I don't want to leave the area if this is where it's at, but I guess I gotta go this way. Oh, boy. I'm the data. Jeez. Where's the early station? Where does it go? I think there'd be like a drop bucket or something. I hope it's... The map did look differently in the tutorial, so not the tutorial, the mission briefing, so... Hopefully it didn't just... The game didn't just screw me. I think I gotta go to this way. Yoink. Please don't shoot me, laser. Oh, I'm still alive? This mission might be SOL. Come on, get him, get him!
Democracy has landed. Fire in the hole.
That's one down. Almost. Will you die?
Sweet whip. Throwing grenade.
Go. Oh, yeah. There it is.
Freedom forever.
There we go. Oh. These things are starting to get on my nerves. Come on, come on. Stim it up.
Not today.
Bug down. You missed. Thank you, dog.
Sending down sentry.
I could have. Yeah, blow up those bugs. Blow up those bugs. Do it.
Dog outpost spotted. Fire in the hole.
I think they're just a distraction. That's actually ideal. Nice.
Mission at 20 minutes remaining.
Almost there. I hear bugs. I hear a big bug. Yep. What are you doing? Stop. Where'd the hard drive go? Oh god. What are you doing? He's T-posing. He's T-posing in my time of crisis. He just wants a hug so bad.
Have a case of democracy.
Alright, let's resupply.
Deploying equipment package.
Mortar real close to us. I love democracy. Just gotta make sure you stay far away from me. That's awesome. Yeah, jack it up. Although it's actually telling it where we are, which isn't ideal. Up, up, down, down, left, up, left, down, 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 right. Get the F out of here.
The extraction shuttle awaits your request. Bug outpost spotted. Prepare to exterminate.
Oh wow. That's a lot of
Throwing
bugs.
grenade.
I might be in my head here. Nope. This way. That was dumb. I was trying to juke it and get out. Didn't quite work.
Ready to liberate.
Deploying support weapon. Deploying equipment package.
Get off him. Oh, jeez. God, a charger too. I'm getting rocked.
How'd you like the taste of freedom?
That's alive. God. Here we go. Stuff. Come on. Come on. Grab the sample. Grab the back. Yep. Oh. Ugh. I think I just need to bail. That stuff's lost. The samples are gone. Oh, nice. Good time we play drums, I guess.
Extraction when ready.
Godspeed, soldier. Oh, come on.
They gave their last breath, ensuring the immortality of managed democracy.
Bullshit.
Additional reinforcement funding approved.
Alright, well, missions are done. Godspeed, soldier. Hey, let's go! We're liberated, thanks to me.
Well done.
One sec. See if there's a quickie I can do.
Well done, Helldiver. This operation will swiftly usher this planet's salvation.
Initiating FTL jump to the Turing system. FTL jump successful. Hellpods prime. Mission coordinates locked.
Pod launch initiated.
Such a cool game.
Go now, and fear the shadow of neither death nor tyranny, for justice is your cause.
Oh, that's all you get? Wow. Come on, get him.
Deploying equipment package. Sending down sentry.
Bruh.
Deploying replacement. Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Oh, jeez. Get out of here.
Ready to liberate!
Orbital strike incoming.
So unnecessary. Guard dog, you gotta watch out.
Freedom forever!
Just like pull your finger off the trigger if you see me. Ugh. That's gonna die instantly. So protect it.
Point me to the enemy.
Ah!
Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
Load, dingus. Yeah, guard dog.
Liberate with this broken arm! Feels good. Freedom forever!
Space. Come on. Come on.
How'd you like the taste of freedom?
Oh, the Patriot. Okay. How about that?
Get some! Get some!
Let's go.
How'd you like the taste of freedom?
I didn't blow my own thing. Get out of here. buddy. All right.
Today you carved another foot in a long climb to liberty.
Nice. Badass. Bunch of kills. Didn't travel much. I think that is it for me for today. Thanks everyone for stopping by. It's super cool. Just the sort of, I don't know, the wide range of people that swing by. It was fun getting raided today. That never really happened before, so cool. Just a good day. Hope you're doing well wherever you're at. Hope you have a nice rest of your day, and see you in the next one. Good night.